Mailchimp Creative Assistant tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the Creative Assistant into your Mailchimp campaigns. So we're going to head over Mailchimp.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to be on the platform. Once we have been on the platform, what we're going to do next is going to head over to the left side of the screen. Once we have been here, click on Create. Now, if you're going to click on Create, you're going to find everything that we can create on this platform, such as automations, websites, emails, landing pages, and whatever. Either the forms and also the surveys, ads, and social media posts are going to be available here. The Creative Assistant is going to be right here, but this doesn't mean that we are going to be only using it from here. But we're going to create it or click on it from here. It is going to create everything from scratch. You can use the Creative Assistant from an email, so you can go ahead and generate an image for it or a specific text on it. But we're going to start from scratch for it, so it is going to create the all. Click on Creative Assistant. As you can see, we're going to use the AI-powered Creative Assistant to quickly generate stylish graphics for marketing content. We're going to click on Start Creating. It is going to take us here to the Creative Assistant. So we're going to start by setting up the custom design in a few clicks. As you can see, you're going to give Mailchimp a few minutes and it will give you back hours. As you can see, this is the slogan of them. So you're going to let them create beautiful on-branding or on-brand designs across multiple channels for you. Enter your URL of the website to get started. So you can go ahead and import your brand. That means that you're going to import your website and it is going to know the style that you're going to have it with. So it is going to take the colors, the type, and whatever that you have here. You can go ahead and set up your own brand and try a simple brand also. For example, I'm going to click on try or set up my own brand instead of importing my website. So these are going to be the options that you're going to get. Now, we're going to upload a logo if needed, but in our case, we do not need it. So we are going to click on skip. We're going to add our colors that we need. For example, I'm going to add a color like this. I'm going to add a new color. Let's go ahead and use another color. For example, I'm going to use the colors from here and I'm going to delete that. Boom. I think this combo is going to be here. You can go ahead and let the engine or the AI engine know that you can use this as a background color or select this color, for example, and use it as a background color. So we are going to use it as a background color. So I can go ahead and click on that. It is going to be saving this. So we're going to have these. Okay. Now you can use the secondary colors. I would like to add more colors here, which are going to be the white, like that. Let's head over here and add another color, which is going to be something else. So I'm going to have the white like that. Now, since it is going to be saving everything, you're going to use the headings. As you can see, subheadings. These are going to be the fonts. You can go ahead and choose the fonts or upload a font. As you can see here, normally you can go ahead and change them, but it has I think that shows in this one. I'm going to click on OK, create your first design, and wait. So here, what is the goal from this email? You're going to set up, for example, some advertisement. You're going to click on next. Let's update your text. So you're going to have your heading here. You can put a heading. For example, we can go ahead and have welcome like that. I think I made a mistake here. Welcome. You can go ahead and put a bottom text. Click here. And cool. You can use your imagery. For example, you can go ahead and add some imagery, stock footage. If we have, for example, magazine. So I can go ahead and search for magazines. I don't know here. These are going to be minimized images. I don't know. You can add whatever image that you have, some uploaded images, whatever, and it is going to be the cool. You can go ahead and generate the design by clicking on that, and it is going to be setting up here the thing. So the missing parts are going to be the logo and also the logo application rule. So you're going to have here the designs. As you can see, they're going to let you see the generated designs here. Welcome, welcome. This is going to be the message. You can animate, for example, here. You can edit the design or select new styles, for example, like that. And you're going to have, these are going to be the illustrations. You can set up some subheadings, images, as you can see, put logos and the call to action buttons. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.